Ayun po. So, now we come to a conclusion. Tapos na po tayo dun sa tatlong pansit. Pansit Bihon, Pansit Palabok, and Pansit Canton. So, as you can see here, no, pag pinlat po natin siya sa graph, yung Bihon started at 110. And then after an hour went up to 177 and then ended at 160. Palabok started at 106, nag-spike ng 173 first hour and then ended up at 149, close to 140 na threshold. And then last but not the least would be yung Pansit Canton. So 106 ang start and then went up to 192 first hour and then after 2 hours it went down to 187. Not that good. I think yun yung pinaka worst amongst the three pancit that we've tried eating. So if I'm going to take note of the after 2 hours, ano ba yung blood sugar level? So ang spike based on the start at saka yung after 2 hours na reading, ang spike ng bihon is plus 50. Ang spike ng palabok is plus 43. And then as I've mentioned, yung worst amongst the three pansit would be yung canton. Ang spike niya is 81 units. So imagine from 106 all the way up to 187. So wala po ako nire-recommend dun sa tatlong pansit, no? Though yung palabok medyo nandun siya sa borderline 149, pero again, I would be very cautious about eating any of the three pancit because it could, it could lead to blood sugar spike. So I'll see you guys next time. Magta-try naman tayo nung lomi, sotanghon, and the miswa. So lahat sila may broth and we'll see kung meron ba tayong po pwedeng i-recommend out of those three dishes. Uh, See you guys next time. Bye.